Hi friends, it's Miss Tori. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we are going to read a very silly book called There is a Bird on Your Head. This is a very funny book with Gerald and Piggy. There is a bird on your head. Piggy, is something on my head? And she says, yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. Gerald does not look very happy, does he? What are two birds doing on my head? Piggy says, they are in love. The birds on my head are in love? Yes, they are lovebirds, says Piggy. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds on my head are making a nest? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, 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 cheep. They have hatched. So now there's baby birds on his head. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head. And 2 birds and a nest, added Piggy. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Asks Piggy. Somewhere else, yells Gerald. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Yes, ask them, says Piggy. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye, says the birds. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. Where do you think the birds in the nest went? You're welcome, says Piggy. And now you can see down here, the bird nest is on Piggy's head. Oh my goodness, that is so silly. All right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this book called There is a Bird on Your Head. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Mwah.